Hello,
Hello.
am I audible? Am I
Yes,
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So good morning to one and all present here. I am Madhuri Nagle.
The, the.
I'm Deepali Patil.
On behalf of Gokhale Education Societies, Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi Polytechnic Institute, Nasik Road, Nasik, and Department of Electrical Engineering, we welcome you all for this 3 days online faculty development training program on modern technology used in electrical power systems. A heartfelt welcome to our today's chief guest, Honorable Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir, our esteemed speakers, Mr. R.B. Bhavsar sir, Mr. N.D. Tube sir, Dr. A.S. Koshti sir, and Mr. K.M. Mahajan sir. A warm welcome to all dear participants all over the Maharashtra. We also welcome our Principal of Institute, Honorable Dr. Mrs. Shraddha Deshpande Madam, Vice Principal and Head of Electrical Engineering Department, Professor Milind Rane Sir, Coordinator of this FTP, Professor Avinash Matre Sir, and faculties of Electrical Engineering Department and Mechanical Engineering Department.
Now, let's have a look on Gokhale Education Society. The Gokhale Education Society was founded on 19th 1980 on the third death anniversary of Namdar Gopal Krishna Gokhale by his illustrious despite late Principal T.A. Kulkarni, who was a great social worker society, has completed 106 years of meaningful existence and has today more than 140 units spread over three zones: Mumbai, Nashik, and Thane. Then, with the great support and blessing of late Maharshi Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi, in year 2016, Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi Polytechnic Institute is renowned for quality education, situated at convenient and easily accessible area nearest to the Nashik Road railway station, and a campus blessed with lush green surrounding ready to provide quality technical education. Currently, the Polytechnic offer four streams: civil engineering having intake of 30, computer engineering having intake of 120, electrical engineering having intake of 60, mechanical engineering having intake of 60. All these four streams of 3 years diploma courses leading to diploma awarded by MSBT Mumbai. Now, before we begin with the official proceedings, let us start by invoking the blessing of knowledge and wisdom. For that, I request our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir, to please light up the lamp virtually. I request everyone to please rise for the light of lamp, which is a streaming virtually. Thank you, sir, and thank you everyone for this beautiful moment.
On the occasion of this FTP, it's my honor to introduce the guest of the day, that is Chief Guest, Honorable Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir. Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir is an accomplished scientist, mentor, advisor, technology provider, and consulting engineer in the areas of automation, instrumentation, energy management, IPR, CDM, EMS, ecology, and renewable energy sources. After obtaining ME on Digital Electronics from IISc Bangalore and PhD on Aerospace Engineering from Michigan University, USA, he held distinguished positions like Chief Mentor, Director in R&D, Global Head, Unity Group of Industry Limited, Thailand, Certified Space Ambassador, National Space Society, NSS, NASA, USA, Chief Technical Advisor to His Highness Sheikh Nahyan of UAE on Energy and Ecology, Chief Technical Advisor to Maxwell Richard, Richardson RFPD, Aero Electronics RF and Power USA, Senior Member of IEEE USA, Expert Advisory Member Invited Renewable Energy, MERC, Government of Maharashtra, and many more. Apart from aerospace engineering, Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir has expertise in solar thermal air conditioning and refrigeration, solar passive ventilation, PM-less rooftop wind electric generator, multiple energy storage bank with intelligent battery management and charging system with smart technology for EV, EHV, and on other aspects of renewable energy. He is the originator of Dr. OGK's theory of electrical traction being taught in electrical engineering colleges. He has privilege to having worked with late Dr. Abdul Kalam on carbon nanofiber based SPVP, like Dr. Vasantrao R. Govarikar in development of solid propellant for ISRO, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan on introducing electronics in the field of agriculture, Dr. Shankar Rao R. Govarikar on development of STM and solar thermal filters and many more. He had developed special weapons, tactics simulator and fire alarms training simulator for Indian Armed Forces and Police Department. He derived great satisfaction after solving the battery explosion issues of Dreamliner aeroplanes. Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir has published 87 research papers at national and international levels, and to his credit, 18 patents, out of which one is licensed to General Electric of USA, one is licensed to Yacht of USA, and one is licensed to HDFC Bank. He has won the number of national and international awards.
मॅडम अनम्यूट झालाय तुम्ही नवले मॅडम
Yes, sorry, ma'am.
मैडम माइक ऑन करा.
Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir has published 87 research papers at national and international levels, and to his credits, 18 patents, out of which one is licensed to General Electric of USA, one is licensed to Yo of USA, and one is licensed to HDFC Bank. He has won a number of national and international awards and accolades like Outstanding Young Scientist International Award, International Europe Award for Quality WTO, President Award for Outstanding Technological Contribution in National Progress, Outstanding Engineer Award of Institution of Engineers, and many more. Now, I request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to welcome or address our esteemed guests, our speakers, and participants.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir, my colleagues and dear participants. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this faculty development program organized by Electrical Engineering Department of Gokhale Education Society, Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi Polytechnic Institute. The primary objective of this FDP is to provide a platform for faculty members to enhance their teaching, research, and mentoring skills. We aim to foster a culture of excellence, innovation, and collaboration among our faculties, which will ultimately benefit our students to the broader or the academic community. Over next 3 days, a comprehensive program that includes lectures by our esteemed resource person. They will share their experiences on the topic like emerging or latest trends in electrical engineering, By the end of this FTP, we expect the participants to gain insight into the latest developments in the electrical engineering, enhance their teaching and mentoring skills, develop research and collaboration and network opportunities. I invite all participants to actively engage with the resource persons, share their experiences, and learn from one another. Let us work together to create a vibrant academic ecosystem that will benefit our students, our institution, and society at a large. Thank you, and I welcome you all. Now, mic to Navle ma'am.
Thank you, madam, for this insightful address.
As we all are gathered here virtually, let's take a moment to understand the significance of today's virtual faculty development program, modern technology used in electrical power systems. This program aims to equipment electrical engineering faculty with the latest knowledge and practical skills in this technology. The program will provide a platform to explore the present scenario and digitalization in power system applications so that we can implement them in our academic curriculum. As educators, we have a responsibility to not only impact knowledge but also the constantly involved with the changing educational landscape. So, this training program will be an opportunity for all of us to learn, share, and grow together as a professionals.
Without doing any late, now we are moving towards the first session of FDP. Our first speaker of day is Honorable Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir, who will be talking about recent trends in electrical engineering. So I request Dr. Om Prakash Kulkarni sir to please start the session.